What is the estimated cooking time for an 8-pound ham at 350 degrees?
If you're planning on cooking an 8-pound ham, it's important to know the estimated cooking time to ensure that it's properly cooked and safe to eat.
Factors that affect cooking time.
Before we can determine the cooking time for an 8-pound ham, there are a few factors we need to consider that can affect the cooking time. These include type of ham. The cooking time can vary depending on whether you're cooking a fully cooked or partially cooked ham. Oven temperature. The cooking time can also vary depending on the temperature of your oven. Bone-in or boneless. Bone-in hams will generally take longer to cook than boneless hams.
Estimated cooking time.
Assuming you're cooking a fully cooked bone-in ham at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, the estimated cooking time is approximately 15 to 18 minutes per pound. So, for an 8-pound ham, the estimated cooking time would be between 2 hours and 2 hours and 24 minutes. It's important to note that this is just an estimate and the actual cooking time can vary depending on the factors we mentioned earlier.
How to check if it's done.
To make sure your ham is fully cooked and safe to eat, you can use a meat thermometer to check the internal temperature. The internal temperature of a fully cooked ham should be between 140 to 145 degrees Fahrenheit.
Let it rest.
Once your ham is done cooking, it's important to let it rest for a few minutes before carving. This allows the juices to redistribute and ensures that your ham is tender and flavorful. So to recap, the estimated cooking time for an 8-pound fully cooked bone-in ham at 350 degrees Fahrenheit is between 2 hours and 2 hours and 24 minutes. Use a meat thermometer to check the internal temperature to ensure it's fully cooked, and let it rest before carving. Happy cooking!